into ACCA DIP IFRS students. The website is same DIP IFRS. DIP IFRS, in DIP IFRS. The syllabus and all that, past exam paper. Past exam paper, all the PDF. And at least 4 years paper they have given, 19, 18, 17, 17. So 17 2 term, 18 2 term, 19 2 term, 20 2 term, 21 2 term, 22 1 term. कितना हो गया? यार इससे ज्यादा पेपर आप क्या, what you will do? Voice is not coming. Is everybody facing this? Hello? Is my voice is not coming? Hello, hello, hello? Yes. Maybe he has clicked something, unmute, mute button and all that. Okay, no issue. So I am saying that endless papers are there. But for IFRS student, there is one issue. For IFRS student, up till now, there is no practice platform. Institute is making ready, but the practice platform is not there. They have given one specimen exam, CB specimen exam 1. In that CB specimen, it is showing you the same type, the way the questions will be coming in the exam center, but that is only one. They need to work on this. They are working. I have talked with them. They are working. And for IFRS, further paper, CB based, computer based, exam based, they will develop. But this one, at least what is there? Now in this, the instructions are written in the exam also, like this instructions will be there. Here it is written, there will be 4 questions of 25 marks each. So in IFRS, there is no objective type question. In IFRS, all questions are essay type. And not 20 marks, they are of 25 marks each. Like I have written here, for IFRS students, 4 questions of 25 marks each, all essay type, and pass marks 50. Same, pass mark is same 50. Now suppose the first question. It is asking me begin the exam. Yes, I am interested in beginning the exam. Now slightly the screen presentation is different. Slightly. In the left hand side, they are saying what is the parts of the question. There are 4 parts of the question. Then in the left hand side, they are saying what is actually the question requirement. And then the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means Excel file. That means this question does not involve any theoretical portion. It's a fully numerical portion. So you need to answer on Excel sheet. Now in the right hand side, they are saying in the first draft of alpha and beta financial statement. In the second one, they are saying alpha's investment, details of investment in beta. In the third, they are saying intra-group trading between them. In the fourth one, they are saying share-based payment details. And then the question. The question is asking using the draft financial statement of alpha and its subsidiary beta in Exhibit 1 and further information provided in Exhibit 2 and 4. Prepare the consolidated statement of financial position of alpha as on 30th September 2017. The first question in IFRS is all compulsory. The first question will be based on group accounts, holding subsidiary in India, group accounts. Preparing group PL account, group balance sheet, both, sometime, whatever. That is the first question. For that they have given the now sizing, adjusting the screen. Then the balance sheet of both the companies are given and all that. Suppose I want something to do. Suppose I want to copy paste this in the answer sheet, spreadsheet. in the spreadsheet, answer sheet. All are coming. Slightly I need to do the adjustments here and there. Now all are copy pasted and I want to write here group. Group matlab basically I need to add parent and subsidiary figures. When we will study the chapter, then you will get, we need to add, and here I can say equal to this one plus this one. It is coming total. The normal Excel features plus, minus, into, divide and all that are there. When you go in help, in the help, it is written all the shortcut of Excel. But by reading you will not understand. I will give you a video in which 1 hour I am explaining all the Excel things. If somebody don't have knowledge, then you see that video and try to practice that always when you will be practicing on your own. Try to practice on Excel, because in exam you need to perform on Excel. On the day of exam you can't do if you are not practicing from the first day. And so much time is getting saved. Property, plant and equipment, I don't have to type. Figures, I don't have to type. I am just doing plus. If you are not liking this, you can do in calculator also. But at least you are saving your time. Somebody will say that, sir, I took more time in the exam. Why? Because you are not well prepared with the screen of the institute. Ki kaise exam hoga, how I need to perform and all that you need to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So, when the question is numericals, they are giving a spreadsheet. When the question is theoretical, this is the second question. The second question, new machinery, they are purchasing, purchase of inventory, ethical issues, requirement, WordPress and Excel, both. Word processor matlab the question involves theory. Now here, suppose the requirement. I don't want to open the requirement again and again. नहीं time waste करना है मेरे को. Copy in the word processor. Pasted. The entire question is here. If you think that size थोड़ा छोटा है, you can increase the font size. कहाँ गया भाई? This is table, paragraph. The font size you can't change. The font size will be this only. You can do this. You can increase the size of your screen so that आपको थोड़ा अच्छा दिखे. But the font size changing option. Cut, copy, paste, this, paragraph, table, this. That option is not there. It will be coming of a same font size for every student. You want to break this down further into different parts, थोड़ा adjust कर लीजिए. I'm just saying that कि if you don't practice on screen, if you don't study, how you will be able to manage this? Because we have the habit of giving exam on pen and paper based. If we don't develop this habit, on the day of exam, maybe we are well prepared, but we will shatter, we will destroy ourselves on the day of exam because we are not practicing on the platform. It's a must. There is no excuses for this. It's a must. You have to do like this only. And you need to complete your entire paper in 3 hours. The 4 questions, this is the second one. Then comes the third one, which is relating to leasing. Different IAS, IFRS, they are testing. And then the fourth one. The fourth one. The fourth one. Here, since there is no practice platform, the answer of this question are on the top only. Explain answer. If you open the all 4 question answer, institute guidelines, marking guidelines, everything. 4th question answer. Here third and all that. Because for them, the practice platform is not developed by ACCA Institute still now. They are developing, but is still not developed. Now, whether it's a question on non-current assets, machinery, whether it's a question on leasing, whether it's a question on group accounting, any, all IS, IFRS is the part of the syllabus for IFRS also, for ACCA FR also. In ACCA FR, objective type questions are there, but in Diploma IFRS, objective type questions are not there. That is not there. What is the benefit, advantage, disadvantage and all that? I'm coming. Now here, the pass percentage in IFRS. IFRS exam is 6 monthly basis, not quarterly basis. So September, December, June, last 6 terms. 49, 45, 35, 39, 45. I will say that around 45%, sometime greater than 45, sometime less than 45. That means IFRS average result is 5% lower than ACCA FR result. ACCA FR result is around 50%. IFRS result is around 45%. If you go back, then generally the IFRS result was also around 1.5 year, 2 year back, was around 50%. But now they are controlling IFRS results. The IFRS result is slightly controlled by the institute. Earlier they were slightly more lenient. I'm not saying they were passing the student like anything. But now they are becoming more, they want more accuracy from the students. But still on a standalone basis, 45% is not bad. But you need to give your heart, soul, everything. Proper study, then only you can pass. The question of pass and fail does not arise after the exam, when the result will come. The question of pass and fail already finished before giving the exam. If my exam is tomorrow, today I inside know that whether I will pass or not. And my teacher, if I am taking classes from somewhere, like from me, I know already whether you will pass or not. But I cannot say you today that you will not be passing tomorrow. I cannot destroy you. No? You are taking courage, you are giving exam, because those who are not giving exam, they are bigger failure in life. But those who are giving exam, at least they are trying. That's much better. Not giving exam is the biggest failure in life. Believe me. You will never be coming in my good books if you are deferring the exam. Never. Maybe you say me 1,000 things for the reason of not giving exam. Because I don't accept that. This is my nature since last 30 years. Something not happening, there are 1,000 reasons. But if we complete that, there is no reason. So for that reason, you can't, you can say, affect me just by saying things which is happening bad with you. I am not going to, never going to say you, कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ, for that reason I am not going to complete the syllabus. Just that if I am alive, bas. If I am not alive, then to nothing can happen. That's other thing. Okay? So I mean to say that. Now this was the paper setting and all that. We will be doing IFRS mock papers also after 20th November. My target is to complete the syllabus, teaching everything properly 20th November. 1 or 2 days here and there. Maybe I will complete on 19th November. Maybe I will complete on 21st, 22nd November. That maybe. The target is more or less nearby 20th